To get a clear idea of the capabilities of the employee, we need a scoring system. This would help you to rank the employees and thus manage them effectively. Hi everyone, welcome to IMIND.Training. I am Sam Pavulekar, and today I will demonstrate how to create a scoring system in Excel. So friends, here you can see a scoring system of employees. So we are having 3 employees, Priya Sharma, Raj Patel and Ananya Singh. These are their scores which their manager has given to them based on the criteria of punctuality, discipline, hard work and technical ability. The scores are on a scale of 1 to 10. Now these are the weights for each of the score which is given by the HR department of the company. If you highlight the weights, you will see that the sum of the weights equal to 10. Now basis this, we want to find out their total, the weighted score, the percentage of the best employee, and then we should be able to rank who is the first, who is the second, who is the third, and so on. So let us begin. We'll first try to evaluate the total out of a score of 40. Why 40? Because this is 10 out of 10, out of 10, out of 10, and out of 10. There are 4 parameters, so the total is 40. So here we use a formula equal to sum, open parenthesis, and we highlight these cells, and we close parenthesis and hit enter. Then we copy the formula to the right. Now we want to calculate the weighted score. For this, we use an Excel function called as sum product. So I will type equal to sum product. Then I will give open parenthesis. Then it asks me array 1. So this is my array 1, comma, array 2. So what this sum function, product function does is, it multiplies the values of array 1 with the values of array 2. So I will just press F4 to fix the values of the F5 to F8, and then I'll close parenthesis and hit enter. So this becomes the weighted score, and then I will copy the formula to the right. Now in order to calculate the percentage of the best, we'll use a formula equal to this cell divided by max, open parenthesis, out of these 3 cells. Close bracket and hit enter. So we get the percentage of best, and then we drag the formula to the right. Now we want to, here you have to remember, in order to be more accurate, these values G11 to I11, we have to make it fixed. Okay, so that when the formula gets copied, it doesn't change to another value. So let's do this again. You see equal to this cell divided by max of open parenthesis, this cell to this cell, and we log these values and we close parenthesis and hit enter, and then just drag the formula to the right. And now we want to rank them. So we say equal to rank, open parenthesis, then it asks us the number. So this is the rank number. And then it asks us the reference order. So the reference order is this. Then we close parenthesis and we hit enter. Again, we have to do the absolute value. So let's do again. Equal to rank, open parenthesis, select the number which you want to rank, comma, give the reference. These are the reference, and the reference values we want absolute, so we press F4, you close parenthesis, and we hit enter, and then we drag the formula to the right. So you can come to know this is this evaluation system, that Ananya Singh is the best employee, then comes Priya Sharma, and then comes Raj Patel. So friends, hope you have understood how to create an effective scoring system using Microsoft Excel. With this, we end this lecture, and we see you again in the next lecture. And don't forget, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Goodbye.